Our organization is DSA Ocean. We're an engineering consultancy and software developer based here in Victoria, BC. We are focused on understanding the marine environment, wind, waves, and current, and how those marine forces interact with marine infrastructure like ports and fish farms and different types of ocean technologies for naval applications, etc. It's really vital that when we're working in the marine environment, we're protecting human life and we're protecting the marine environment itself. And our business is all about achieving that through the use of expert consulting services and software technology. We're a key sort of service provider that allows other ocean businesses to succeed by allowing them to safeguard their assets. So anything from port facilities to fish farms to marinas, or if you're a technology company, we can help to sort of look at the interaction of your tech with the marine environment and allow you to innovate better. And I see these businesses succeeding here domestically, but then also exporting their technologies around the world, right? And making us a hub for ocean technology and ocean businesses. For people who haven't considered a career in the ocean sector before, I would definitely consider it. I fell into it. I came from central BC. I wasn't a marine person, and I got into it through a university club. And the thing that has kept me here is the unique challenges. You're never going to do the same project twice. To me, that makes the ocean industries an exciting place to work. The OSC has helped our company grow and the visibility of our company. The first would be just making announcements about the projects. They have a tremendous network of ocean businesses that they're communicating with. So just the networking opportunities, the Slack channels that OSC provides, the online community, the events, all of these are really important venues for us to get to meet with other ocean businesses and tell them about our solutions and our consulting services and our technology. The direct funding has helped us tremendously. We've launched a couple of new products through a couple of OSC projects. The first being a fish farm design software that allows people to systematically design a fish farm to ensure that it is safe and prevents fish escapes. And this is really enabled by OSC. The way that we measure our impact is through talking to our customer. That regimen of constantly getting feedback from our customers and continually improving based on that feedback has been important for our success. One of the biggest challenges, or I guess opportunities as well, that we see in the marine engineering sector is that existing marine dynamic analysis software, which is the kind of software that we are creating here at DSA. By 2035, I see a vibrant ocean sector in Canada through the help of the OSC. I think success is going to be across many different ocean sectors. I see our role at DSA Ocean as providing the technology and consulting services to help this happen. We help these companies to innovate. We help these companies to safeguard their assets by our understanding of the marine environment, how it's going to interact with equipment and technology and structures.